चौदह दिसंबर को आइए और भागिए, दौड़िए।
खासकर जो महिलाएं हैं उनके लिए क्या मैसेज देंगी सेंट्रल, और किस तरीके से आप इनवाइट करेंगी पिंकाथन?
देखिए, SBI पिंकाथन एक बहुत अच्छा इवेंट है जहाँ पे हर महिलाओं को आना चाहिए और पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस फॉर द वुमेन। इट्स अबाउट मज़ा भी आएगा क्योंकि इतनी सारी महिलाएं साथ में दौड़ेंगी। तो इट्स ऑल्सो अ पर्सनल चैलेंज दैट दे कैन गिव टू देमसेल्व्स कि अगर उन्होंने कभी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है ऐसे इवेंट में, तो वो लोग धीरे धीरे द आइडिया इज टू पार्टिसिपेट, नॉट टू जस्ट कंप्लीट। सो एक शुरुआत सबको करनी चाहिए। They have to come and participate in this because it's about them, comfortably दौड़ सकेंगे। यहाँ पे कोई, you're not competing with a man, you are with only women. So I think it's going to be a fun event and it's got a great cause, so everyone should come out and participate in it.
क्या मैसेज है का, जो मैसेज जिस तरीके से वुमेन्स के लिए क्या मैसेज?
देखिए, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस के बारे में हम लोग अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं। जितनी जानकारी लोगों को है उससे ज़्यादा, थोड़ा बहुत लोगों को ज़्यादा अवेयर हो जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज लोगों को लगता है कि हमें कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। दैट सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड डू योर रेगुलर चेकअप्स। आफ्टर 40 you are supposed to do an annual checkup as a woman. You should be aware of how your body is, and you should know your breast examination. You should know how to do it. So these are things that we are talking about because ये बहुत फैलता जा रहा है। ब्रेस्ट कैंसर आए दिन बहुत, numbers are very very huge besides cervical cancer also. So it's very very important that a woman takes care of herself and her health, and that is the basic awareness that we are trying to create through Pinkathon.
विकास, आपके अलावा और कोई बॉलीवुड से जुड़ने वाला है?
सब लोग जुड़ेंगे।
देखिए, बॉलीवुड में बहुत महिलाएं हैं और सभी अपनी देखभाल करती हैं, और everyone is very aware about what they should do for their health, and and I'm sure that in their own way they will contribute to the awareness that we need in the country.
मिलिंद, देश और विदेश में आप लगातार मैराथन दौड़ते आए हैं, खासकर जो मुंबई की ये मैराथन है कितना डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड भी होता है मुंबई।
डिफरेंट तो ये एक बात है कि इट्स द ओनली वुमेन्स ओनली रन इन द कंट्री, जो 6 शहरों में होता है, एंड द डिस्टेंसेस आर फ्रॉम 3 किलोमीटर्स, जो आराम से कोई भी कर सकता है, टू 5 किलोमीटर्स, 10 किलोमीटर्स, एंड ऑल्सो 21 किलोमीटर्स, जो आधा मैराथन, हाफ मैराथन होता है। सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी यूनिक इवेंट फॉर इंडिया, एंड दैट इज़ वाई जो रिस्पांस मिला है हर शहर में, जो 6 शहरों में हम करते हैं, रिस्पांस बहुत ही अच्छा मिला है। इट्स इनफैक्ट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मैराथन इवेंट्स इन द कंट्री टुडे।
So Bipasha and Milind, apart from running, what are the other sports you enjoy?
Well, I indulge. Yeah, for
horse
me,
riding.
For me, I think he swims. You swim, right?
I swim.
Yeah.
I do the triathlon.
Yeah.
I'm training right now for the Ironman next year.
Oh wow,
जो
really?
बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रायथलॉन का डिस्टेंस है।
It is.
So वो स्विमिंग,
Awesome.
साइकिलिंग और रनिंग तीनों स्पोर्ट्स का एक मेल है, and it's a great challenge. It's a good tough event.
It's extreme. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Give up space to go. Please sweat.
are, of course, four basic concepts of being healthy, four basic things that you need to think about. One is restful sleep, one is good nutrition, one is regular exercise, and one is a positive mindset. This is something also that Amber talks about. So this is very, very important. We believe that. So whatever you choose in your life, the way you want to live, make sure that you really pay attention to these four things. Now I'd like to thank at the start, of course, Asilo for hosting the press conference and Palladium Hotel. I'd like
you. I'm really grateful to the Pinkathon, to Milind, to his whole group for coming up with this amazing concept. Fitness for women, but fitness beyond that, there's something much more special. In India, women's cancers are galloping, and women don't seem to take their health seriously at all. When I got cancer about 12 years ago, breast cancer, I really didn't know much about it. It was my first time I went to get a mammogram done. Once I was healthy, I decided that we have to change the mindset. We have to get women in this country, young, gorgeous women who have a future ahead of them, who have families depending on them, to become aware that it can happen to any of us. We must start being fit. We must start getting checkups regularly. We set up the foundation, the Women's Cancer Initiative, with the Tata Memorial Hospital, which is one of the best hospitals in the country that deals with cancer. And it was a three-pronged attack that the foundation took on. Creating awareness about the importance of early detection, that after a certain age, after the age of 40, 45, get a mammogram done twice, once in 2 years, then once every year after the age of 50. But more important, teaching younger women from the age of 20, 22, 25 to get familiar with their own breasts, to understand and to learn how to do a simple thing called a breast self-examination. Why we taught them that? Because if anything changed along the way, if they didn't know what their normal breast felt like, they would never pick up something at an early stage. In my case, because my cancer was detected very early, it was curable. I'm sitting here before you, partnering with the Pinkathon. We've got 50,000 women who are not only fitter, but aware about self-breast examination, talking to their mothers, their aunts, their friends to say, have you had yourselves checked regularly? It's an amazing opportunity. We all know that breast cancer resides in fat cells in the body. Obesity is your worst enemy when it comes to breast cancer. By running, by being fit, you're actually avoiding even getting a cancer in the future. I feel so proud that these 50,000 women are on their way to being healthy for their lives. Their families know that they'll be fine. Who have every right to survive, who have every right from wherever they come. Sometimes they don't have the money to even reach the hospital, but their treatment gets paid for because of events like this. And thank you, SBI, for partnering in. It's a wonderful initiative. I hope it grows bigger, bigger, bigger than the Standard Charter marathons. I hope every woman in every country, it becomes international. We can take it overseas. I'm thankful to Bipasha, who takes the time off time and time again to be with us because she believes in fitness and she believes in the power and empowering women. Thank you for having me.
A few words from Mr. Vinod Pandey from SBI, the association. And thank you again. I mean, I'm going to say it about 10 or 15 times. Okay. And a small token of our appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys.
Pinkathon Mumbai 2014, I actually liked it, because they chose a commoner over a celebrity. They could have easily got a celebrity to be their mascot, but they chose a